Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to set up Webhook inside VivifyScrum. So a Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. VivifyScrum is a web-based project management software. So in this video I am going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a Webhook inside VivifyScrum and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here, I'm going to search for VivifyScrum as my trigger application and the trigger event will be configure webhook. So this trigger will start working on the selected event when it will take place. So the events can be when an item is created, when a sprint is created, or any other event that exists in VivifyScrum. So over here, I'm going to click on configure webhook as the trigger event. So as I did that, here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your VivifyScrum account with Pabbly Connect. So now in order to begin with the connection, I'm going to take you to my VivifyScrum account. So this here is my VivifyScrum dashboard and now over here you can see that this is my organization by the name of Papcon and here is the board that is by the name of Pabs. So I will go to my board. And over here, these are the items that I've created in the board. And now to begin with the connection, I need to go to configure board. And after going here, I need to go to integrations. And here in integrations, I will go to webhook because by using a webhook, we are going to build a connection. So here it says VivifyScrum can now be easily integrated with webhooks. VivifyScrum automatically pulls information and activity from its boards and channels it into your channel. So to enable the integration, over here we need to copy the URL for the receiving webhook alerts. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the webhook URL and over here in this field, I'm going to paste it. So after mentioning the webhook URL over here, it says, by default, you will get notifications for all activities. So over here, you can see that these are the activities and the notifications will be sent for these activities. So by clicking on this button, you can deselect any activity of your choice. So as I want to get the notification for all of these activities, so that is why over here, I'm going to click on add integration. So here it says webhook integration successfully added. So here that means we have successfully added a webhook inside a VivifyScrum account. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect and here you can see that we have got a test response. So it says webhook channel is now connected to VivifyScrum. So that means we have successfully set up a connection. So we are going to recapture the webhook response. So here you can see it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So taking you back to my VivifyScrum account. So as we have selected all of these events, so the notification will be sent for all of them. So I'm going to take you to my board once again. So now I'm going to do a comment on this item that is added in this board. So I will go to the comments and over here I'm going to write the comment. But let me show you the item first. So here it says example item, visit this link for more useful tips. So over here I'm going to write definitely I will visit this link. So this here's the comment that I've framed and I'm going to click on post. So here you can see that I've added a new comment over here in this item. So I'm just going to close this. I'm going to take it to Pabbly Connect. And yes, just now over here, you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So you can see the username and over here the text says added comment. Definitely I will visit this link. So this over here is the comment. You can see the username and the user ID as well and the user updated at date and time. So I'm going to scroll down and show you some other details. So over here you can see the user email as well and here you can see the created at date and time and you can see the type title that was example visit link. So over here this was the item title and it was updated at this point of time and you can see that the act property was of comment and here is the comment that is mentioned as definitely I will visit this link and along with that you can see the board ID and the activity type that was comment created. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, I've successfully got the details of the new comment that I've added. So here that means now whenever there will be any event that will take place in my Vivify Scrum account, then automatically I will get a notification for the same over here in Pabbly Connect, and the response will be captured of that event. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside Vivify Scrum, and just by going to this action window, you can select any application of your choice where you want to send the data. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.